Hey, Marty here, founder and CEO of freshOps. Now, whether you've downloaded freshOps for the first time or you've just updated to our new app, I wanted to give you a big freshOps welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss what freshOps is and then jump into some really basic app usage so you can come away from this video and know exactly what is going on. Now, if you've been using freshOps for a while, my apologies. I just want to reiterate it for those who are new. Now, freshOps is an operations software solution for cleaning and facility services company. Our aim is to give your employer visibility of their team in the field for simpler operations while delivering the critical information to you to help you do the best possible job each and every day. Now, freshOps helps your employer schedule all their work and delivers your roster straight to your phone. It simplifies timesheet collection and proof of attendance by you simply checking in and out of your shifts and jobs. We automatically record what time you commenced work on site and finished and update your employer and supervisor immediately. We also help deliver important information such as site inductions, security access details, and all your cleaning tasks to you. So you'll never forget to do that high dusting or that monthly fridge clean. Plus, if you're not sure how to do that fridge clean, for example, your employer or supervisor can even upload standard operating procedures and video to help you out. So let's jump into the app and get you up and running by starting with the home screen. Now, the home screen has two tabs, Shifts and Tasks. The Shifts tab shows you your upcoming shifts or jobs by date. The Task tab lets you review the tasks required of you on any upcoming shifts. Selecting a shift opens the Visit Information page, which also has two tabs, Site Information and Task Information. As you scroll down the Site tab, you can see all the important information about your site, such as address details, shift length, the shift status, you'll see I'm late in this case, the site induction documents, and security access details. You can now access the site induction and security access details prior to checking in by unlocking them with your freshOps PIN. The Task tab gives you the list of tasks required of you once you've arrived on site and you're ready to commence work. Let's now check into site by clicking the green check-in button on the lower right. Now, depending on how your employer or supervisor has set up freshOps, you may be prompted to check in with one of four different ways. Firstly, a simple check-in. freshOps simply checks you in. A freshOps QR check-in. The app will launch your camera and prompt you to scan this QR code on the freshOps tag. A freshOps NFC check-in. The app will prompt you to tap your phone against the tag. Now, you want to tap it around here on an Android phone, but more up towards the top on an iPhone. And lastly, via verified GPS. freshOps will ensure you're on site prior to letting you check in. Now, once you've checked in, you can use the site induction documents and security access details as you need to get in and get started with your work. Click the Task tabs to start working through your task list and verifying their completion as you go by ticking the box, which will move your tasks from upcoming to completed. But please, only mark a task off if you did actually complete the work. This is not a tick and flicks exercise. This is you verifying to your supervisor and your client that you've done these tasks. So if you didn't, leave it unmarked. Once you've completed all your work and ready to finish your shift on site, press the green checkout button in the lower right. Now, we'll prompt you to leave a cleaning report, which is your opportunity to report any issues, request any stock, or communicate anything really with your employer or supervisor. Now, once complete, you can press the checkout button and you'll be prompted to check out in exactly the same way as you checked in. Well done, you've checked in and out successfully. Now, last thing before you go, if you need any help, you'll see in the bottom of the freshOps app, there's a 3 little bar menu there. That's the menu. And when you click on that, you can click the live chat or the help center button to be connected with our team and find plenty of valuable resources to get you up and running. As well, I'm going to be sending you a couple of videos over the next couple of days, so make sure you watch them so that you're across all the ins and outs of the freshOps mobile apps. The next one will be check-in types, where I explain all the different check-in methods in depth so that you can be guaranteed to be set up for success.